So I recently did a review on the big Anker 300-watt Prime battery pack. This was an awesome review. But one thing we learned was that these simple wall chargers, these bricks, weren't going to get it done. So I picked up the Anker 140-watt power brick, and now we're going to go through it. In the box, it's pretty simple. You get the power brick itself, which is a plug-in unit. You get a cable, which is going to be essential for handling the high wattage, and then a quick start guide. Now this comes with 4 ports. You can see you've got 3 USB Type-C ports and then a USB Type-A port. It's top port, 140 watt capable. Second port, 140 watt capable. Third port, 40 watt capable, and the USB Type-A is capable of 33 watts. Now the other cool thing is it's going to have this nice display, so you'll just pop that down, plug it in to your outlet, and you can see it's smiling at you and telling you 0 watts right now are being drawn out of the unit. So while this power brick is almost essential for charging these big battery packs when you're on the go, this is going to be an awesome standalone charger as it is. So if we plug in down here, this is the watch charger. You can see automatically it opens up into 4 distinct different power levels. So now you can see the wattage that each one is pulling when you charge a device. So the watch is pulling 1 watt. But if we go ahead and we plug in now a cell phone, is pulling between 9, 13, 15, 17. The point is that you can see every piece of wattage that's being distributed through the 4 ports. So in order to charge the laptop as well, though, you're going to need a high wattage capable cable, and the one supplied here is just phenomenal. So you just plug this in, then plug the other end into your laptop, and now you can see, once everything gets there, it's recognizing all of the outlets plugged in. Right now it is outputting 53 total watts. You can see how it's ramping up, going up and down. But then if you hit the button, it'll show you the phone is still getting 37 watts of power. The laptop is drawing 40 watts of power. The watch is still drawing 1 watt of power. But you can actually see the total amount of wattage being pulled out. Why is that important? Or if you want to know why, hey, why is the watch taking so long to get charged up? It's because it's only pulling 1 watt of power. Another really good feature about this power brick is the fact that you get your total overall wattage. You get your complete breakdown of what's going where as far as power distribution. But then you also get this temperature monitoring unit. How many times have we had our phones and we feel them and they're like hot, hot, hot? Well, now the brick itself will monitor. There's a sensor inside that monitors the temperature of the brick. So if the brick gets too hard, it'll trigger and slow down or throttle down. But you'll be able to know, oh, wait a minute, are we safe or are we not safe? Just look at the temperature monitoring. So I've got the Prime power bank now charging up my phone as well as my laptop. But what I wanted to show you was this, is that with this unit here, you can actually charge the power bank while charging the laptop from the power bank. So as you can see, the blue is the output. That's the power going to the laptop to charge the laptop. And then the green is the power coming into the power bank to charge this up. This is called the pass-through. You can also see now that we are full port charging, full power to the power bank at 140 watts. In my opinion, whether you're looking for a single charging brick that'll give you 4 different charging port outlets, or you're looking for the big travel brick plug to charge your portable power banks up, cannot go wrong with this Anker 140 watt brick.